Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video, and make sure you hit the notification so that you know when I upload. Today we're going to be doing a full demo and review of the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette. Now this was inspired by, I forgot her name. Oh my, that's so disrespectful. But I'm gonna put her name here. She did a review on this video. Her name is it Alyssa? Alice? Elise? One of those. Sorry girl. But she did a full review and demo of this palette, and I was like, yo, I need to go and get my hands on it. And if you guys have missed my upload on my CoverGirl, I talked about this one, and that was a part of the whole peach vibe as well. So let's talk about this palette before we get into the demo and all of my thoughts and all of that, right? So this is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Peach Scented Eyeshadow. It comes with 12 eyeshadows, and these eyeshadows are really amazing. They're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This retailed for about $14.99, I want to say. I did have a coupon at CVS, so it did bring it down a couple of bucks. You can find this in your local drugstore pretty much everywhere, and it's supposed to smell like peaches. So let's do a sniff test. I don't get peaches from this palette. Definitely, if you were to smell this palette and the CoverGirl palette, this does not smell like peaches to me. It smells more like sparkling fruits of some sort, but it does not give me peach vibes. That's just my opinion. The CoverGirl one smells a lot more like peaches than this does. So let's go ahead now and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna first going to prime our lids like always. I always start off with priming the lids using some sort of concealer or a white base. Today I'm going to just use a plain old concealer. Alright, so we're going to start with this color here, number 1. But we're going to go ahead and place those on the inner corner. Alright, so next we're going to use number 4, and that's going to be on the inner half lid for 4, this color here. Yo, you can't even see this color at all, really. And then the next color that we are going to use is number 7, and this is going to be on the outer number 7. So we're going to use this color here on the outer half part of the lid. Going to take number 6, and this is going to go along the lower lash line and the outer corner. So this is number 6 on the outer corner and the lower lash line. And just to kind of deepen this up a little bit, I'm gonna go into this brown here. I want to go into one of these browns and just deepen it up just a little bit, not too much. I just want a little bit more of a deeper effect for this outer corner. This line does come with a set of its own blushes, but you can double up. I like to be creative, so I wanted to use one of these as a blush, so I'm just gonna pick which one do I want to use. I don't know if I want to go more shiny or more, let's see. So I'm gonna keep it pretty neutral, and I'm actually gonna try this eyeshadow here. This is the one that I used on my inner corner lid, and I'm gonna actually just take that one and apply it a little bit to my cheeks. It's really soft, so you won't see much of it. but I'm gonna actually place another shadow on top of that. Then I'm gonna go into, oh, I love this color here. This color is shimmery color right here. I'm going to use that and I'm gonna place that directly on top just for a little bit of the highlight. Ooh, more than a little bit actually. It's really pigmented. It's just to give me some highlight. All right. Woo. Do you see me popping? Okay, you guys, so let's talk about my final thoughts on this palette. Now, when I was going into this palette and I was using it, I did put down a primer or just concealer as a primer. The colors that I did use were pretty good, pretty pigmented. It's just that it was that pink. Uh-oh. The colors are pretty nice. It's just that it was this pink here that I felt was not as pigmented. It was a little bit more, it was super light, and even though you still can see it, I did have to pack it on pretty heavy, and I did have to pack it on a couple of times throughout me doing my eye. Also too, I do like the fact as well that it does have this guide on the back telling you how you can use these shadows and what look you can create. So I went ahead and I did that. I created the Enchanted Flame look using this palette. So that is the eyeshadow or the eye look that I do have on now. Did deepen it up a little bit by adding a little bit more of that brown into that outer corner just to give it more of a deeper look. I do like the shades though. I do like how they have that variation to where you can go from something a little bit more neutral to something a little bit more deeper, and I do like that. I think it is a great palette. I just don't think it smells like peaches. The consistency on eyeshadow is pretty good. I like the colors. Yeah, I would not suggest spending the whole 15 bucks on this. I don't think it's really worth the whole $15. So if you have a coupon, definitely utilize that for your purchase. But all in all, I do like it. It is great for the summertime, and also you can mix and match these colors and create a very fun look. The look is really nice. I think this is great for a summer night. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.